Good morning, students. So, last class we have discussed about sulfur and sulfur compounds like a sulfur dioxide. So, sulfur dioxide preparation and physical and some chemical properties. So, now today we have discussed remaining chemical properties of sulfur dioxide. So, already we know that Fe plus 2 is converted to Fe plus 3. So Fe plus 2 is a ferrous ion, Fe plus 3 is a ferric ion. So ferrous ion is converted to ferric ion. Suppose Fe plus 2, so it is reacts with sulfur dioxide and water molecules. Sulfur dioxide and water molecules. To form this reaction, Fe plus 3 and SO4 minus 2 and 4H plus. Okay, so Fe plus 2 ions is converted to Fe plus 3 ions in the presence of SO2. Okay, so ferrous ions is converted to ferric ions. Okay, next further, so MnO4 minus ions is converted to Mn plus 2 ions. MnO4 minus ions is manganate ions. So manganate ions is converted to Mn plus 2 manganese ions. Okay, so manganate ion is converted to manganese ion. Suppose, so 2MnO4 minus manganate ion, when it is reacts with SO2 sulfur dioxide and water molecules to form Mn plus 2 manganese ion and SO4 minus 2 sulfate ion and H plus ions. So overall manganate ion is converted to manganese ion in the presence of SO2 sulfur dioxide. So mainly Fe plus 2 ions is converted to Fe plus 3 ions and MnO4 minus ions is converted to Mn plus 2 ions. So at the same time overall already we know that sulfur dioxide is reacts with the water molecule to form H2SO3. Sulfur dioxide is reacts with water molecules to form H2SO3 sulfurous acid and the sulfur dioxide is reacts with oxygen. Sulfur dioxide is reacts with oxygen in the presence of V2O5. V2O5 means vanadium pentoxide to form SO3. SO3 means sulfur trioxide. Okay, SO3 means sulfur trioxide. So these are all preparation of sulfur dioxide. So what is the structure of sulfur dioxide? Central atom is sulfur. So it is attached with one oxygen with a double bond, another oxygen with a single bond. So sulfur contains one lone pair. This oxygen contains two lone pairs, another oxygen contains three lone pairs. Okay, so it is a angular structure. Okay, SO2, which structure? Angular structure. What is the use of sulfur dioxide? So sulfur dioxide is mainly used for preparation of different types of compounds. Okay, so what is the use of SO2 sulfur dioxide? So it is mainly used for preparation of different types of compounds. Okay, so preparation of different types of compounds. And second one, so it is mainly used as the anti-chlor. So SO2 is mainly used for to remove the chlorine on the surface of cloth. So that process is anti-chlor. Anti-chlor means loss of or remove of chlorine. Okay, on the surface of cloth when we have used sulfur dioxide. Okay, so it is mainly used as an anti-chlor. Next, third one. So it is mainly used for to purification of sugar. At the same time to purification of petrol. Okay, so sulfur dioxide is used for to purification of sugar and to purification of petrol. Next further, this sulfur dioxide is used for as a bleaching purpose. So what is the meaning of bleaching? Color compounds is converted to colorless compounds. Okay, so it is mainly used for paper industries, textile industries like a silk, okay, or paper. Okay, so it is mainly used for bleaching purpose. So these are all uses of sulfur dioxide. Okay, so number one, it is mainly used for to purification of petrol or sugar. It is used as a bleaching in textile industries or paper industries. So mainly it is used as a anti-chlor. It is used for the preparation of number of compounds. Okay, so this is 16th group. Next further we are discuss 15th group elements, last P block elements. So overall, what is 15th group? So 15th group elements, these 15th group elements belongs to P block elements. Okay, 15th group elements belongs to P block elements. This 15th group elements is also called just like a 5th A group elements. 15th group elements is also called 5th A group elements. So overall, which elements are 5th A group or 15th group elements? So overall, it is starting from nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, bismuth. Okay, so nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, bismuth. Okay, so these 5 elements belongs to 5th A or 15th group elements. So in this group, very important and useful element of nitrogen. That's why we are called nitrogen family. So this group is also called nitrogen family. Okay, nitrogen family, because just like nitrogen is very useful and important element. So it is mainly available in atmosphere nearly 78%. Okay, so 78% nitrogen is available in atmosphere. So it is mainly available to different types of compounds. Okay, to different types of compounds. So mainly overall, so NaNO2 nitrous, NaNO2, so or KNO2, so sodium nitrite, potassium nitrite. So these are all compounds. Or suppose for example, so it is available NO. NO means nitric oxide. Okay, NO means nitric oxide. Next N2O, nitrous oxide, and N2O3, nitrogen trioxide, and N2O5, nitrogen pentoxide, and NO2, nitrogen dioxide. Okay, or suppose HNO2. HNO2 means nitrous acid, and HNO3, nitric acid. Okay, HNO3 means nitric acid. So nitrogen is available from sodium nitrite and potassium nitrite. So nitric oxide, nitrous oxide, nitrogen trioxide, nitrogen pentoxide, and nitrogen dioxide, nitrous acid, and nitric acid. Next, at the same time, NO, NaNO3 or KNO3. So NaNO3 is called sodium nitrate. Okay, KNO3 is called potassium nitrate. So sodium nitrate is called chili saltpeter. Chili saltpeter. So KNO3 is called Indian saltpeter. Indian saltpeter. So there are compounds, nitrogen compounds. Next further, so phosphorus. So phosphorus is mainly available in plants and animals and different types of compounds. Okay, mainly it is mainly available in bones also. Okay, human being bones also. So Ca3PO4 taken twice. So calcium phosphate. Ca3PO4 taken twice. Calcium phosphate. So and next Ca3PO4 taken twice. Calcium phosphate and CaCl2. Calcium chloride. The combination of calcium phosphate and calcium chloride is also called chlorophytite, and the combination of calcium phosphate and calcium fluoride, calcium phosphate and calcium fluoride is called fluorophytite. The combination of calcium phosphate and calcium hydroxide is called hydroxyhepatite. Okay, hydroxyhepatite. So overall, the combination of calcium phosphate and calcium chloride is called chlorophytite. The combination of calcium phosphate and calcium fluoride is called fluorophytite, and the combination of calcium phosphate and calcium hydroxide is called hydroxyapatite. And number of phosphorus compounds have there. Suppose for example pH3. So phosphine, pH3 phosphine or H3PO3. H3PO3 means phosphorus acid, and H3PO4, so phosphoric acid. Okay, so H3PO3 phosphorus acid, H3PO4 phosphoric acid. So they are all compounds contain which element? Phosphorus element. Okay, next further arsenic, antimony, bismuth. So arsenic, antimony, bismuth. So these three elements is mainly available their sulfides. Okay, suppose arsenic sulfide, antimony sulfide or bismuth sulfide. Okay, so arsenic, antimony, bismuth. So these three elements is mainly available from their sulfides. Okay, so they are all availability of different types of elements. So overall, nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, bismuth. So these group elements overall. So nitrogen phosphorus. So nitrogen, phosphorus, these two elements is non-metals. So these two elements is semi-metals. Next, this compound is metal. So overall, from top to bottom in this group are nitrogen to bismuth in this group increase the metallic nature. Okay, so overall nitrogen, phosphorus, these two elements is non-metals, and arsenic, antimony, these two metals is semi-metals. So just like arsenic, antimony contains slightly metallic nature, and bismuth is metallic nature of elements. Okay, so nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, and bismuth. So what is the electronic configuration of fifth A group elements? What is the atomic number? So already we know that nitrogen 7 and phosphorus 15. Next arsenic 33 and antimony 51 and bismuth 83. Okay, so nitrogen 7, phosphorus 15, arsenic 33, antimony 51, bismuth 83. So they are all atomic numbers of 15th group or 50 group elements. So what is the general electronic configuration of 50 group? So that is NH2 NP3 electronic configuration. NH2 NP3 electronic configuration. So overall, suppose we are taking nitrogen. So we write the electronic configuration of the nitrogen: 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. So what is the outer shell electronic configuration? 2s2, 2p3 is the outer shell electronic configuration. So here change the n value, just like n is equal to second shell. Okay, so 2s2, 2p3, ns2, np3. And next phosphorus. So we write the electronic configuration of phosphorus: 1s2 and 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p3 electronic configuration. Okay, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p3. So 3s2, 3p3 is the outer shell. Okay, 3s2, 3p3 is the outer shell. So overall 2s2, 2p3, 3s2, 3p3. Next further we write the electronic configuration of arsenic. Suppose 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 10 and 3s2, 3p6, 8, total 18 and next credit 10, 28. Next 4s2, 4p3 electronic configuration. Okay, 4s2, 4p3 electronic configuration. So overall 10 plus 8, 18 plus 10, 28 plus 5, 33. So overall 4s2, 4p is the 4p3 is the outer shell, 2s2, 2p3, 3s2, 3p3, 4s2, 4p3. Okay, as this antimony contain outer shell electronic configuration 5s2, 5p3. Bismuth contain 6s2, 6p3 electronic configuration. Okay, so overall nitrogen 2s2, 2p3, phosphorus 3s2, 3p3, arsenic 4s2, 4p3 and 5s2, 5p3, bismuth 6s2, 6p3, overall ns2, np3 electronic configuration. So we have used like in noble gases. Suppose 1s2, we write replace of 1s2 helium, 2s2, 2p3. Or suppose 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, it is equal to neon atomic number 10. So replace of 1s2 2s2 2p6 we will write beyond, or suppose 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s2 3p6. So how many electrons? 18 electrons. So replace of 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s2 3p6, it is equal to argon. Okay, argon 3d10 or 4s2 4p3, or we write krypton xenon. Okay, so it is overall electronic configuration of 15th group elements or 50th group elements. Okay. So what is physical properties of 50th group elements? Now nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, bismuth. Now first we have discussed about atomic radius. So overall before that, fifth A group elements NS2 NP3 electronic configuration, already we know that. So overall this group elements is stable elements. Stable elements. Because just like so NS2 means 2 electrons and NP3 means p orbital contain 1 single electron. So overall off-filled or completely filled orbitals contain more stable. So noble gases elements completely filled orbitals, that elements is stable elements. At the same time these group elements off-filled orbital, so p orbital contain off-filled. So that's why these elements contain more stable elements. Okay, so off-filled or completely filled orbitals contain more stable. So overall this NP3 means off-filled. That's why just like these compounds more stable elements. Okay, so atomic radius, already we know that atomic radius. Overall the distance between central to outer shell of the electron is called atomic radius. So atomic radius is indicated with centimeters or millimeters or angstrom units. So overall this atomic radius, very low atomic radius value of the element nitrogen, very high atomic radius value of the element bismuth. So from nitrogen to bismuth increase the atomic radius value. Suppose it is the central, so these are all different types of shells or orbits. Different types of shells or orbits. Suppose so nitrogen outer shell, so 2s2 2p3 second shell, and 3s2 3p3 phosphorus third shell, 4s2 4p3 arsenic fourth shell, 5s2 5p3 so antimony fifth shell, 6s2 6p3 so bismuth sixth shell. Okay, so overall when increase the atomic number, increase the atomic radius value. So each element of the electrons is enters in a new shell. So outer shell of the electrons is enters in new shell, second shell, third shell, fourth shell, fifth shell, sixth shell. So that time increase the atomic radius value from top to bottom in this group. So very low atomic radius value of the element nitrogen, very high atomic radius value of the element bismuth. From nitrogen to bismuth increase the atomic radius value. Okay, next further, so ionization enthalpy. ionization enthalpy. So this ionization enthalpy we are discuss further class. Okay.